Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Tech Wisdom and welcome to another useful tutorial video for your Windows PC. And today I'm going to show you how you can download and install PyCharm for free on your Windows PC. Before I start the video, I'm going to tell you something that before downloading PyCharm, you have to install Python on your Windows. If you don't know how to install it, I will leave a link on this video description. You can see the video and download Python on your PC. And now let's start the PyCharm installation video. First go to your browser here and now here type PyCharm and go. And here you can see their official website JetBrains. Just click the first link. And now it will bring you to this web page. And now on the top you can see the option download. Just click that option here. And now here is the PyCharm Professional. But you can see it's only free for 30 days. After 30 days, you have to buy the software. But we're going to install the free version. To download the free version, scroll down. And here you can see PyCharm Community Edition. To download it, just click the download option. This is the free version. And as you can see, the download automatically started. But I'm not going to download it because I already downloaded it before. Just go to the folder. And here is the community version of PyCharm. To install it, just double click it here. I'm going to minimize all of them. Select yes again. And this is their welcome to PyCharm Community Edition setup. Just click next. And here is the destination folder. You can change it, but I'm going to recommend you to leave it as default. The space required is 1.5 GB. Now click next. And here you can see the create desktop shortcut. I'm going to click this one and also update content menu. Just click this one and select next and select install. As you can see, the installation already began. It will take 1 or 2 minutes to fully install the PyCharm. So you have to wait. Now, as you can see, the installation process is finished. Now click finish here. And now double click on the shortcut button here. Now I'm not going to import any existing project. Just click OK here. And this is the PyCharm community software interface. And as you can see, this is the interface. Now you can create a new project and open an existing project as you like. So this is the video. I hope this video helps you. And if this video does help you, please consider subscribing to my channel. And I will catch you guys on the next video.